So there's a very interesting story nobody knows. We shot Ganpat as a promotional video with Remo D'Souza and we were in suits and all of that and we shot in town at a bar. And we came back, Gupta and me were having a drink. He said, "Kaisa tha aaj ka kaam?" I said, "Honestly, your film is about raste ka gangsters and you're putting us in suits." He said, "Ye to promotion hai yaar, promotion ke liye kar raha hu." I said, "But promotion, you're not showing the real film and this song is a blast. It's a surefire." He picked up the phone, called his production manager and cancelled the next day's shoot. I said, "What are you doing?" Then I got a little worried. I said, he asked me something, I gave him the honest answer. He cancelled the shoot. And then when we finished the entire film, we went back to the song and we recorded the song in 2 days and we put it in the film. And then it became the rage it did. So I have to take a lot of credit for Ganpat Chal Darula. And this story has not been told on any platform anywhere.
Mr. Gupta, check please. And he's back. Rohit Roy, double R, old pal of mine from back in the day. Unfortunately, we live too far away geographically, so we can't stay in touch because I'm too lazy. Also, मैं रात का culture बंद हो गया.
हाँ, बिल्कुल बंद हो गया.
बंद हो गया. So I'm no friend of anybody now. Unless you're willing to get up in the morning and touch your toes and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
That sounded vulgar. not touch your toes, you know what I mean. But there's so much to talk about.
I know,
because
man.
Rohit Roy is still going strong from Swabhiman days to now. I don't know how many years have passed. 3 decades, I would think.
30, yeah. This May,
30.
next year, 30 years.
So I'm 28 years in the business, you're 30. Uncle?
तू junior है मेरा?
Oh, how sweet. What an insult and nicely done. Sweetly
I always
said it,
thought you started television before me.
No, Baba. I just counted 28 years.
Huh.
Unless we count, I did something with PMG, a cricket show.
No,
before that.
So
but it was like, went nowhere.
MTV was your
MTV
first.
was
huh?
96, yeah.
96, yeah. So I'm 95.
You're 95.
95 May
The
23rd.
the TV show started.
TV show started.
Yeah?
23rd of May.
And then you were non-stop on TV, huh? Because
Non-stop,
while I was doing MTV, we were non-stop for a long
non-stop.
time. I have another story, which is a slightly, but you know, I mean, what a super success he made, is that in 99, when we were friends, we were doing the play and all together and all that, we met your brother at 3 Flights Up. And he was going through a bad period. It was
Right.
his low period. And I remember sitting and drinking with him and all that. And I was one of the guys who told him that, Ronit, don't worry. Sun will rise again. Words to that effect.
Really?
Drunk men talking
Nice.
together.
Yeah,
And I want to know that not one thank you has come.
अच्छा,
इतना
I have
बड़ा
to tell
star
him.
बनने के बाद, man, shut. Nothing has come this side.
Are you serious?
I
He
did.
should.
I remember
He should,
telling
because-
Kunal and I sat with him at this thing called 3 Flights Up.
3 Flights Up,
Tendulkar's
yeah.
or whatever it was in town, Regal. And he spent the whole night chatting with me.
I'm
and
surprised
drinking.
how he was there because he had no money to.
No. It
buy
was a
alcohol.
party. Yeah. There was no, we were not buying. It was a
Acha,
party. We
okay.
were all together. And Kunal, me and him hung out. You know, and I'm giving him advice. Huh?
Acha.
No, not advice. He was a little low. So I was just, you know, I was cheering
That time
him.
was terrible for him.
It was terrible. But what a
7
lovely
years.
story it is, you know. I mean, I know.
Yeah.
Then he bounced back and became the number one
how?
TV star of the country, and from there non-stop. Anyway, just wanted to mention that.
Yeah.
We
I
want
will
to-
make sure that he calls you
We
and
want
says
him.
thank
We want
you.
him to come on the podcast. You can say thank you in public.
Yeah,
Uske
okay.
baad, yeah.
Done.
Yeah. All right. Let's now go back to the Rohit Roy success story. It's very difficult for a lot of people to stay relevant, to stay in the business, but you managed to do so many different things. Now, last time we discussed the early years and all that.
Yeah.
I think Nagpur, etc., Ahmedabad. He
Right,
speaks Gujarati better than me, Hindi better than me, English better than me. It's
No,
embarrassing.
not English better than him. Yeah.
So going back,
Unstoppable.
I would just tell them you used to lift and all that. You were very much into training, but as you were a young man,
Yeah.
so that was the thing to do. You were playing the hero in a lot of shows, etc. Even doing films and all that. So that was also part of the territory.
Yeah.
But now it's a much more serious professional approach.
So, like you said,
By
how
the way,
to
you're
stay
looking damn
relevant,
good,
man.
and I'm
Thank
not flirting. You're looking very nice,
Thank you.
and I don't want
you.
to get your real age, but nothing
No,
close.
I can tell my real age.
Yeah.
My daughter told me that, Baba, you should be proud of the way you look and you should tell them your real age. So I actually earlier used to hide.
I'll show you a trick. Don't go on Facebook, but try and find these guys from your class, school or college.
I can show you a picture after the
I'm
podcast.
telling you, just give me 10 of them, put them together and see how they look, how you look.
I've done it. I went for a reunion to Ahmedabad recently.
And you flexed.
And no, I just
Hey,
walked in.
uncle.
I walked in not knowing what I'm going to meet, right? You know how it's been
Yeah.
25, 30 years now.
Yeah.
And I walked in and he has this huge basement with a half a kilometer long bar in Ahmedabad. And I walk in and I
Where
said,
Daru is not allowed.
where Daru is not allowed, dry state. And these guys are like, they're massive. You know how they are, Boppal and all that. And I walk in and they all look 70. Somebody's bald, somebody's fat. I love you guys, but And I was like, what? And then we took a picture. So I have that picture in my house. That also keeps inspiring me. Lage raho munna bhai.
But some of it is genetics. You can't change things, how people look and all that. Let's not,
it's not only hard work.
yeah.
It's got to do with genetics.
But
Discipline,
and some of it is like lifestyle for a long time because you can't just in 2 months change your life.
And you
completely.
saw me before the show. I had my samosa, so it's not like I keep myself away from
guys,
everything.
I swear on God, he had a full Punjabi samosa, which looked the size of Punjab. It was a big one, and
every time I come here,
we have footage
to
of it. By the way, I hope we can show it. Yeah.
Yeah. No, every time I come here, because I've shot an audio series here. That samosa is incredible. So I actually called on the way that, have you ordered my samosa?
Yeah.
I want to have one before we start.
Wow. You've been in Salt Lake?
Not in Salt Lake. No. In a makeshift stadium. There was no stadium. We were sitting on plastic chairs. I was really young. And I wasn't that much into football. I was a cricketer. And I was looking at the fans. They were like at it. Both in Bengali. But they were at it. And they would have killed each other. And fortunately, it was a draw that day.
Oh.
How did you guess?
No, I'm just
because
thinking,
they didn't kill each other.
No, because you said they would have killed each other.
They would have killed each other.
I'm a good writer. I could tell immediately the ending mein kya hona chahiye. Yeah.
Climax अच्छा पकड़ लेता है.
Yeah, but what are you doing there if you don't like footy?
So my family is still in Calcutta. No?
Oh, okay.
All my family is there.
So somebody just said, take the kids with us, go and watch a match.
So every summer vacation we used to go.
So you're not into EPL and La Liga and all that? No. What kind of Bengali? You're a Gujarati Bengali.
I'm a Gujarati, na. Yeah. I'm into cricket, dhokla patra, samosa. So like I don't even like fish. And my mom says, I don't like fish. And she's like, what? ये तो अस्पताल में बदल गया होगा.
But at home there would be Bengali food, na?
Gujarati है ना.
Now you sound like a Parsi. You didn't think it through. You just said it.
Yeah, I just said it. Yeah. But
no, let's get back to your fitness. We are making fun, but I'll be honest. He's in his 50s, and no one will tell. I mean, if they don't know who you are, you're not a famous guy. You're just standing in a line or something. No one. If it's a guest,
I think not. Yeah.
100%. I'm telling you. And a lot of it is true the fact that you're very disciplined.
I'm very disciplined.
And then with the podcast now, that pressure of being disciplined because you're doing a professional fitness podcast.
I actually felt a little guilty while doing this before I started. Usually I don't.
The samosa?
The samosa, yeah. Because, now when people look at the podcast and they write back to me, I should feel convinced when I'm doling out some advice or some gyan.
And a lot of people they're looking at you because the desperation of where they are, self-esteem and all that, etc.
Yeah, it makes a difference. Na? And I always say you don't have to be an actor or a model to be fit. You have to be a human being. I want a nice, happy life.
You have to want girls. No.
That too. No, that too. That is true.
But that's a great motivation.
It's another matter that Mansi doesn't allow it, but I still want.
Papa, at this age, you're still trying to be a masti guy. It's like a Ramsey Brothers sex version.
This also reminding me of something.
Oh, unnecessary. Why go there? No, but it is motivating the other gender and all. You want to look good, etc. I would think.
It's all about that.
Yeah.
People say, I dress up for myself. No. I dress up because I want people
to. Then why do you dress up when you're alone in your bathroom?
Exactly.
You should be wearing a suit and all
Does
that.
It make sense?
It makes no sense.
It makes no sense, and we cannot talk about
this
on public
validation from
platform.
society, from generally from the other gender.
Other gender, same
gender.
No, like you said, okay, Rohit, you're looking good. That is a validation for me.
No, but I'm also saying it because you're my tribe. We're of a certain age group.
Right.
And a lot of people, I don't want to flex, a lot of people have not bothered to look after themselves.
True,
Now they're playing catch up.
Yeah.
I won't
And
take
that
names.
never happened,
People we know,
actually.
people we've grown up with, school guys,
Yeah.
guys you work in TV with, films with, all that. What to do?
That's true. You have to keep.
But we feel good, so we can spit on them whenever we are out. Like, hey, Akhilesh, idhar aa. You're too fat.
So tu Kunal ko kya bolta hai? Why don't you get Kunal into fitness, bro?
Okay, now I'll tell you, Kunal. My wife is even more crazy about fitness than me because she does the Iron Man, Iron Woman. By the way, it's called Iron Man even for women.
Iron Man
Don't ask
for
me
women
why.
also. Of course.
Ridiculous,
Did anybody say Iron Woman?
No, they don't. Iron Woman is a lady who irons your clothes. I mean, it's totally different concept. So
I have to say something about Cyrus before you go on.
Bolo.
According to me, I think, the OG of comedy in India is Cyrus Brocha. Yeah. And the good part is, I've known you for almost 3 decades now. Your comedy is born out of situations and you never hit below the belt ever. I've always been seeking, he's falling, he's going to fall now, he's going to slip now. तो जानता सब कुछ है. I remember used to read papers like a madman. I don't know whether they still do.
They don't come home.
No,
2 papers come home. We do read them. But now this internet thing.
And I remember that show that you were doing, the week that was.
Yeah.
Incredible. Yeah. So well done.
With the fitness expert Kunal. We used to have a character called Fitness with Faridun.
I always remember I was the queen of prison.
You have to see Fitness with Faridun. There's another character we created. He's a Parsi guy who's a bodybuilder who gives advice while eating chips and drinking stuff and all.
Oh, really? I missed that.
It's beautiful, great fun.
He's too.
Yeah.
But that's what every time somebody asks me about you, That is my introduction. कि there are very few. तो आज जो चट्टे पट्टे घूम रहे हैं ना आजकल, they're all a chip off the old block.
Yeah,
but
there are too many cheap comedians.
Too many cheap
mentioned.
comedians. Why do you need to?
We should tax comedians. I feel that the moment you hear a joke, you say $25. They have to pay you.
They have to pay
the
you.
moment they say कि 3 men in a bar or जो भी है ना, whatever the opening line is, yeah.
फालतू वाला.
Yeah, Santa Banta, whatever. Everybody's got their opening line, and then you know, oh God, here we go. Again.
I know it's about me, but I want to ask you, how did you get into it?
What?
Into comedy and stand up, and how did you
comedy? I tried to work in an office, Dacunya's agency, and 9 to 5 was very hard for me. Yaar. You have to sit there and see offices. There's no work, as you know.
Right.
You just sit there. And I'm thinking about just sitting. I should sit somewhere else. Yeah, make small talk. And as a trainee copywriter, not even copywriter.
Right.
Copywriter के नीचे जो है ना, I mean ज़मीन के नीचे घुस गया is called the trainee. So you're literally waiting. The first day, Rahul Dakunya gave me something to do. I think it was for LIC. He said, write this copy. I was so enthused, Rohit. I wrote 27 different skits. And I thought I'm Shakespeare ka baap. How prolific I am. And I'm very fast writer. I've masturbated and my hand swells and all that. And I come back, I show everything to him. And in 5 minutes, they say, no.
All 27 are gone.
No, like, waste of time. So then, because then in the end, the LIC guy only decided. It was for 60 years of LIC. He drew a cake himself very badly and said, I want this. So agency said, fine, to client. Why are we wasting time? Chutia came here with 27 skates. Somebody else, I learned quickly.
But can wit be developed, or were you born with it?
It's a lot to do with the fact that my father wore a lungi. Now, how many Parsis wear lungis? You see, the moment you're, cross-culturally challenged like that, there are lots of issues going up. You have no idea. And then the kind of language I was, I had to hear in the house, like the dhobi would come and my mom would shout, "Kapra nikal ke aati hai," and he was like, "What?" But she was not wrong and he was not wrong.
Right, correct,
This is true comedy in a sense.
So it's observation also.
And me being slightly better Hindi than them, I'm be like, oh God. And even today, my mother on the phone, because we have one landline and people do call you. I should record that.
You still have a landline?
Ah. Oh, wow. I still have a landline, I still have a mobile.
I remember you never had a mobile for the longest time.
I got a mobile at the age of 45.
Right.
That's 8 years. Why? Because my son, so we had to do this carpool. Now you must have gone through all that. Your daughter's also grown. We'll talk about her. And so doing the carpooling, the problem is that when you have to pick up those 3-4 kids, they don't know the kid has come. Because everybody's, you're calling on the phone to say, I've reached, say, Everest Apartments. And so the mother will now come down at a relevant time and pick up her child. I was the only one with no phone.
No phone.
So I'm down. Then I go and tell the watchman's to go. So the whole process took a long time.
That's why you got the phone.
The mother started shouting at I was like, give him your phone and all that. So then I took my mother's phone first. I was using only that. After some time, I just continued using that and I bought her a new phone. So all my friends and contacts are my mother's friends. Some are not there anymore, but their names are still there. And they still call. One day he called from London. Hello, Ollie, how are you? So I put on my Ollie voice. I'm fine. Chatted for 2 minutes. This is my life, brother. My life is hard in its own way.
Too good.
Like
even for instance, when we used to go out, like going out of Bombay for a shoot, we used to dress up, go down to the bar at 6:37, sit there, and how you doing? Now you don't need to do that.
Yeah, you call up.
Hey, what's up? नहीं एक line वो तो हमसे ज़्यादा forward तो वो हो गए. तो वो the chase ही निकल गया. There's no fun.
You're saying the girls have become more aggressive?
Not aggressive. They're more cooler than they were in our generation. Oh my.
Are you using Tinder?
No, यार. Tinder कैसे यार?
I don't know. I'm just asking. What are the new ones?
How Tinder?
Bumble क्या है?
Bumble and Tinder.
Not for us.
Fortunately, I never needed.
Kunal is on all of these. Huh?
Of course.
What's the gay one called? Paras gay one का नाम क्या है?
It's called Ginder.
Grinder.
Ginder. Oh, is it really? I was joking.
It's Grinder, no? No, they're scared to answer. Why are you scared to answer?
Any of you gay in the room?
But even if you're not gay, you should know this.
You should know, no? I mean,
it's better.
I'm not on Tinder, but I know what Tinder is.
It's better if you're not gay that you know it's a Grinder.
Yeah.
Because by mistake, I'm searching for a hot girl or whatever, and they'll be hot.
I think it's Grinder.
Yeah.
With the double R or something like that.
And
did you see how what he did?
Rohit bhai ka profile check kar. Hello, check. 1, 2, check. Yeah. So we are just making fun of this generation, but honestly, it's too easy sometimes.
It's too easy.
Yeah. Also, chatting girls, chatting up, or not chatting up is the wrong word, but chatting with a girl.
Now I'm scared to use these words also. I don't know what's politically correct, what's impolitical.
No, but we had the hard phone landline style.
Like, in our times, supposing you're walking and I'd pat you on your fanny and say, hey, what's up, bro?
How many times you did that?
स्वाभिमान
पिक्चर देखी?
आज तो करने को डर लगता है कि पता नहीं साइरस क्या सोचेगा. correct technique. I'm thinking. I don't know.
No, we never had any of these problems. Not problems. We never, the soch was not there.
Soch was not.
The soch was not there. Now it's the opposite. Everything you think twice.
Too much. Yeah.
But also they just go online and chat up people or chat with people. Let's use the right phrase. Chat with people, and then you can at least have a conversation.
Yeah.
No, we had to go through the intro.
Yeah.
We had to go through a lot of validation.
Yeah.
Like how do you show who you are? It's not easy, right? Back in the 80s and 90s.
I don't even know how we did it then. Yeah.
No, Abhay would be like, you know this girl, Shalini? Okay, Abhay, go and talk to her. Then through.
Correct. Well, fun. It was fun.
You're just on your grinder. Sorry, excuse me. On your Tinder. जो भी है. Grinder. Tinder. Potato. Tomato.
Research करना पड़ेगा grinder का यार.
हाँ. करेगा बाद में. समोसा में आलू. Oh God.
My samosa has gotten to you.
Yeah, let's get back to, we're talking about your fitness.
Yeah, fitness. Come on. Let's talk serious.
Suddenly it'll be over the time. No. So you were, both of us were into fitness or whatever. And I like lifting weights. I love bodybuilding and powerlifting. And I'm boring.
You're more into powerlifting, no?
I love both. I follow everything.
Okay.
Like if Samson Dauda, I'm sure most people don't even know, is the present Mr. Olympia. He's the heaviest Mr. Olympia of all time. Heavier than Ronnie Coleman at his heaviest.
Oh, really?
Heavier than the Big Mommy. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
So, but you have to be following all that.
Yeah.
And I'm not into men. But I watch naked men wearing
It
small
inspires you,
costumes, doing this kind of thing with their bodies and all that. Yeah.
इसलिए उनका सब नीचे का चलता नहीं है.
Who says? How do you know? Are you on Grindr? Are you on bodybuilder Grindr?
Now this Grindr thing I'm going to live down, man.
Or in the north we say Grinder. Oh, Grinder. Are you on Grinder?
Grinder पे
नहीं
be
है.
very popular in the north.
What the hell are you saying, bro?
Yeah, it's very popular.
You be very careful.
I heard it's very popular.
How can you make this observation?
I also read, man.
Back.
Back. Come on to fitness.
So first, I know I'll land up on your podcast. We'll discuss some of these stories again. But so what is your day like? How do you keep yourself? Because now it's a work in progress for the rest of your life.
My day, my day like it depends on whether I'm shooting or not. Very clearly, if I'm shooting, then the 12-14 ghanta is gone. So
but you still have to maintain your discipline or whatever, right?
Yeah. So when I'm shooting, I have a gym in my van all the time. There has
Gym
never
in my
been.
van?
Yeah.
अरे गरीब देश कौन सा एंगल से है? बेंच प्रेस बोल गरीब देश gym in the van.
ये तो बहुत टाइम से है, स्वाभिमान के टाइम से.
How big is the van?
The van is a double door van, the regular van है यार.
So one side is
one
gym.
side is my makeup room and sitting, but so it's not like a full-fledged gym, but it's a gym with whatever I need.
Dumbbells and stuff.
And especially the last film I did was with John Abraham.
Oh my God.
Mumbai Saga.
So he kept the gym on the set. You kept the gym in the van.
So he would not bring the gym, because I don't know. He's got a gym at the home, so he'd work out and he'd still be before us. And I'd work out on the set.
He's a morning guy like me.
I wanted to look bigger than him in the film. I didn't want anybody to say, Sanjay Gupta is his friend, he's been cast because of that. That thing always was in my mind.
Is that the reason?
That is the reason, of course. Of course, I'm his compulsory blind. I make life miserable for him if he doesn't cast
He's
me.
your Vijay.
Yeah, exactly. So, anyway, so then.
But that's a big act to follow. I think he's the most fit guy in Bollywood in terms of.
And what
physique.
I have to tell you this because we're on your podcast, what he told Gupta. After we finished filming, he said, "Yaar, I would never say this, but ये picture तो रोहित रॉय के tricep पे चलने वाली." Wow. Yeah, it was quite a backhanded compliment. And he's very much like that. He's also very funny, yeah.
He's Irani, Parsi boy.
So funny, and you can never make out whether he's serious or joking.
No, he's very intelligent. I was on a flight with him a long time back. I remember we just spoke about two things the entire flight: Liverpool Football Club, because my son is crazy about it, and bodybuilding. Yeah. That's it.
True.
Now, if I like bikes, that would have been three subjects, but no.
So me and he just discussed bikes all the time.
You're a bike man. And dogs, of course, but there was no time the flight landed. Yeah.
So he's extremely smart, very, very
What is the
witty.
film?
It's called Mumbai Saga.
Mumbai Saga.
And it was, unfortunately, it released in 2019, right after COVID. So he got really
You
bad.
could re-release it? The season for re-releasing?
He didn't do really well, so I don't think they'll re-release it.
Sanjay Gupta?
Now it's on Netflix, so you can watch it. Yeah, Sanjay Gupta. It was quite a cool
you're
film.
shredded in that, is it?
I'm massive in it.
Is this your best?
Massive, yeah. This is the best I've been.
Yeah.
Because I really put in that effort and I was like,
A lot of shirtless shots and all that, I presume.
Even if you see me with shirt on, you'll be able to see what a body had created. So unfortunately what happened is because the lockdown happened, they couldn't shoot the action sequence and the song, Mine. There was 7 days work left, Mine.
So what happened?
So we couldn't shoot it now, we had to release it without that.
But then the film is incomplete.
No, it's not incomplete.
The
No,
song
one
को जाने दो,
song.
but
It was
action?
Action था, but वो unfortunately वो जो protracted action होने वाला था, go down where I beat up 4 people and my main dialogue was there. That didn't happen. So that was a little.
Can you act it out for us now? I'm feeling that there's some frustration here.
You should, because it was a line was specifically written for me. So I'm sitting like that, and these are all the bad guys. And
These are the bad guys.
These guys.
You
He's the bad guy.
cast correctly here.
And we are taking, our gang is taking over Mumbai slowly. Sayan, Koliwada, ye, wo, Ghatkopar. And I'm sitting as one of the dons. He said, he looks at me and I'm holding a gun. And he says, "Hey, बंदूक दिखा के डराता है क्या?" And my dialogue which was written is, बंदूक तो सिर्फ शौक के लिए रखता हूँ, डराने के लिए नाम ही काफा है, बाबा.
Where's the fighting then?
उसके बाद लड़ाई चालू होती है.
Okay. But I thought this is like almost like a pickup
And then
line.
I said, and you know how it is. Like you said, I'm hungry for good work, right? I kept rehearsing this line in front of the mirror
sad.
in all fucking ways possible. And then boom, lockdown happened, and then we couldn't shoot the sequence, and so unfortunate.
And
but
the
life goes on.
body went to waste in a sense because you're bulked up and...
So then, he was kind enough to add a few scenes in the pre-climax, which actually helped the film. You must see the film.
What's the film called?
Mumbai Saga.
Mumbai Saga. But I must say that I've seen a lot of your stuff, but the one I did, the shootout, I think that shootout, your
Shootout
performance is superb.
That was the first time I
Considering
really-
all of you all are from certain privileged background, etc., etc. Nothing close to these guys.
Yeah.
Supposing you don't know who you are, I think it's pretty well cast. Almost all.
I think Apu really designed me well also. And also I did one thing. I went on a really stupid diet. I'll never do that again. And I lost some...
But you had to, no?
Yeah,
Because
I
they
had
were
to,
not...
because I had to look like that, emaciated.
They're scary.
Yeah.
There were these skinny guys.
16 kilos I lost in less than 26 days.
Oh, how do you do that?
I don't know, water diet.
I mean, you're married, but other than that...
So that actually prepared me, So I don't know, I must have done some diet which was really intense.
16 kilos in less
16
than a
kilos,
month?
less than a month.
But still dangerous on the organs.
It is. That's why I say it was a stupid diet. I'd never do it again for anything. And I've heard stories about actors who've tried to do it and they've actually popped it.
Died?
In Hollywood. Yeah. There's so many actors who've done those uppers, lowers and that
You
kind
imagine
of a diet.
superstar, multi-millionaire Hollywood actor dies of starvation by choice.
Heath
What kind of-
Ledger, yeah.
He died because of starvation?
Not starvation,
Drugs.
but he starved himself and he was doing uppers and lowers at the same time.
So
And
he wasn't trying to kill himself. He just screwed up his
he just
body.
wanted to. Yeah, he screwed up his body. No? And then you have to get out of it is another struggle, which is what I talk on my show. That it's not. Don't go by my Instagram account.
Yeah.
I'm putting out my best. Of course, I put
Get out of it means get out of the diet.
No. Yeah. How do you get out of the diet? It plays on your mind that you're looking a certain way. You want to now look like this forever, and you can't look like this. Nobody can.
So
Unless
what
you're
is it when
Tiger
you go on
Shroff.
a drastic diet? How do you get out of the
Out of it,
drastic
yeah.
diet once you achieve the goal?
Achieve the goal, and you have to. Basically, it's like weaning off.
Yeah.
And you have to eat slowly, little.
But the weight must not come back, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So
then if you eat slowly, your body gets used to that and your metabolism takes it forward.
No, when you mean
But
slowly,
if you have a samosa right after that kind of a diet, you're screwed.
I'm not trying to be funny, but slowly you mean like slow chewing nonsense or
Slow chewing nonsense
or slow
also.
up
The intake of
calories up?
calorie has to be much
So
slower.
200 calories a day became 250 calories a day. Like.
So 200 calories for me became 2,000 calories immediately, and I put on all that weight back after.
Correct. This is,
that's-
I think Kunal
and
same
it's
thing.
very
He's lost
bad.
weight many times with lots of stringent diets, but then they
Kunal,
can't maintain.
unfortunately, his job is also such, and he enjoys it also. So,
No, don't do job and all that. Look at Heath Ledger. The problem is discipline. He doesn't have discipline. I have another friend, Bharat Somani in the Bombay Gym. Same thing, I mean, they're looking at a thing and feeling very happy mathematically.
yeah,
कि मैंने
कितना
10,000
कर लिया.
पहुंच गया. 10,000 नहीं पहुंच गया. मुश्किल से 1,000 पहुंच गया. We don't even know what you actually done.
Yeah.
So,
It's quite
attitude.
a.
Yeah.
That was for old people who have to have some sort of exercise in a day.
Where there's
चलो
no
10,000
option,
तो
yeah.
कर लो. So it is a number.
Yeah,
It's
come
got
se come
nothing to
walk.
do with your
Yeah.
this thing.
Yeah, where does this number come from? Where's the maths?
Somebody's trying to sell a gadget.
Yeah.
How do you sell that?
There is no
gadget?
magic number,
There's
no?
nothing. 10K walk is nothing.
Yeah.
So what is it?
No, I think it depends on the person, no? What you're trying to achieve and all
Yeah,
that.
what
There's
you
no
can do in
fixed-
10,000 steps.
I
and
can't
me
walk.
is
I'm not a
different.
walker, bro.
Oh,
I
I
walk my
walk.
dogs, but without leash, I hardly walk.
But walking is good. At this age, walking is the
I
best.
don't like walking, bro. I like talking.
So what is? Of course.
Walking is
उसी का तो खा रहा है तू.
The only time I walked is, honestly, when I had to find food and I'm hungry, I've walked a little bit. That's it. Yeah, I can't think of any motivation. Yeah, I overrate a thing, yeah. In form of exercise, as you just mentioned, is the lowest form of exercise.
Look at you, man. I'm sure you walk and do you run though?
I don't do any cardio. I hate
You should,
cardio.
na?
I'm against cardio. I work out quite fast.
When you come to my show, I'm going to give you the
come and
gyan.
work out with me. I'm a fast workouter. I'm a very aggressive
That's very
workouter.
good. But then your metabolism goes up.
Yeah, so it's very close to having a almost cardio workout.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are we praising ourselves so much? We are on Grindr only presenting ourselves. मैं ये करता है, मैं वो करता है, मैं 53 बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा दोस्त लोग देखो, they look like horror show. You to actually said that, bro. He's bald, he's fat, he's so ugly.
I mean, what to do, yeah? It was brought to my notice that they do.
Yeah, but in a sense we are privileged because we come from this background where you have to sort of look good to survive, blah blah blah.
But now, actually, if you see, if you realize all these guys who own the new startups and who are the really cool,
they're very into it.
All good looking. They're all very fit. They might not be classically good looking, but they look well put together.
But when I was in New York back in '94, it's the first time I saw the competitive nature of corporate world, where they were all into that 1 hour lunch break. Half of them were going to work out, play squash, go for a run, and then just eat a bagel or something on the way back. So that 1 hour, paisa vasool, 50 minutes of bloody thing and 10-minute walk back, khana.
Correct.
And then back on the desk trying
you have
to
to
trade
maximize.
millions.
That's another thing.
We need to send all Indians to New York for 1 year.
Yeah.
Every Indian, not South East.
You have to send them out of India for some.
And then stay out. Such a great, beautiful. How we should have ended the podcast here. We are instead going into a break. Indians, off you go.
Off you go.
See you soon. Border closed. Who's Trump now? Taking a break.
What are your thoughts on Trump, though?
We have to come back.
Come back.
They're
Come
back.
Happy and prosperous New Year to you all. It's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus Sahukar and Suresh Menon hilariously roast Cyrus Brocha in a special New Year episode featuring wild takes on Elon Musk, aliens and Big Boss Malayalam. On a century of stories, India Kunal takes us back to the history behind the iconic Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai, India's first luxury hotel. Folks, if you like our shows, spread the word. Tell your friends and don't forget to rate and review them wherever you're listening to them. Follow us on social media. We are IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. You'll also find all our shows on YouTube by their show names, so do look out for them and have fun watching. And finally, we would like to thank our sponsors this week. IDFC First Bank, Axis Mutual Fund, SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, IndusInd Bank.
No, we're back. You want more coffee?
Mind blowing. No, I'm good. One coffee is good. I had one coffee at home.
But you had black coffee, right?
I'm on intermittent and I had a samosa.
How many hours are you doing intermittent?
16.
16? Complete or more than that? So let's explain this intermittent. I know you've done it 10 times on your show. For the male, it's very different, right? Because it's a big thing people.
Oh, yeah. So, like 2 diets. A keto diet will affect males much better in terms of what you're getting out of it than females. I can do the exact same thing as Mansi, but she will not gain that much.
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly with intermittent, it doesn't work. I don't know why. I don't know the medical science behind that. But intermittent works better for guys who are active. It doesn't work as well for women. I don't know why.
But so 16 hours and then 8-hour window for eating.
8-hour window.
So give us your day. Sorry, give us your day.
So my eating window is between 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
I try to keep 6.
So actually,
it's amazing.
So almost an 18-hour fast you're doing.
Yeah, 18-hour fast.
Wow.
It's very easy. Actually, if you eat at 7 o'clock in the evening,
I do that.
That's the best time to eat.
I do. 7 to 7 I don't eat. 12 hours,
7 to 7.
12 hours,
I don't eat from 7 to 1.
That's a lot. Now,
So I have my first meal as a lunch, but it's very easy to
But
do.
do you sleep when you're not working? What do you do in that time? So when you're working, you're occupied. When you're not working, what do
When
you
I'm
do?
not working, there's so many things I'm doing. I'm writing. I have a production house, so I have to take care of that.
No, that's a full.
Yeah.
So you have no
And then
food in your stomach.
2 घंटा सुबह को चला जाता है जिम में, फिर 1 आध घंटा
Empty,
ऐसे podcast करने में चला
fasted.
जाता है. Fasting.
And no protein shake, nothing.
And so try and work out on a fasting one.
I work out
तो
fasted,
बस
but I
फिर तो
eat
क्या?
immediately.
But
as
you are
I
supposed
finish,
to.
I put 2 protein shakes in.
Correct.
My eggs start going in.
Correct.
All my people.
But that's why you're looking like this. How old are you now?
41.
At Sala.
42.
At
Sorry.
Jhoothe. So
53, Baba. 71
So the way
born.
you look at this age, also you're telling me, but even your face.
No, but my diets are not as sharp as yours. Your diet is very sharp. You're looking 18 hours. 18 hours, guys, please don't try it immediately. Because this is...
Then you have to go into it.
Yeah,
12,
you go into
12,
it.
12, then 14, 10,
Yeah.
then 16, 8.
So almost you're training the body to do a fast.
But 16, 8 is good.
But energy level?
Outstanding.
I mean, it's great right now.
It's
What about time?
outstanding.
You've not eaten yet. Oh, you broke
I
it
ate a
at 1
samosa,
o'clock.
yeah, I broke it, yeah. So, but
you
anyway,
broke it at 1 o'clock.
Yeah. So this was my first, and this is also cheat. Otherwise, I would have
Good
gone
energy.
home. So imagine we would have finished here. I would
Yeah.
have reached home by 2:33. That would have been my first meal.
So you would have done 19
I would have done
hours or something.
almost 20 hours.
Man.
So
But then
there's
what do you
this
do
guy.
if Rohit Roy has to go to a party, what happens? I mean.
I do everything. If I could eat a samosa in front of you.
नहीं
then
रात को क्या करके 7 बजे बंद किया ना?
7 बजे खाना बंद किया ना तो रात को दारू पीता ना लिक्विड डाइट.
It's allowed.
Of course. So you can't stop living, bro. If I'm going to your house.
I thought you can't do anything but coffee
No,
and tea.
no. Supposing I'm coming to your house for Bonu. I am going to eat. It is not written
Okay,
in stone.
so 1 day a week you cheat like that.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so that's different.
More than 1 day. इतना भी ऐसा नहीं है. Otherwise, I'll have to join that. There's a website www.chutiyetuzindakyunhai.com. वो join करना
Founding
पड़ेगा.
member.
Yeah. No, I'm disciplined, but I'm disciplined. I
think that's a very smart thing to say. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm thinking the reality is that you can't be so extreme.
You
have
shouldn't
to
be.
have maybe 80-20 or something is where you are.
Sir, you heard of
90-10 or
dopamine?
हाँ.
The dopamine release के लिए चाहिए. Like right now, dopamine release हो रहा है,
Correct.
मस्ती हो रहा है.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm talking. If you give me good food, you give me a samosa.
Yeah.
Dopamine is released.
Yeah.
So you have to balance it out. I can't say, oh no, I can't do that.
So
I don't know how. I'll tell you a story about John because he's a friend of yours. We were shooting for Mumbai Saga. Now Goops also loves food. Another actor, he's the owner of Beirut. If you've eaten at Beirut, Shad
There's a
Randhawa.
South Mumbai branch.
Outstanding
Lovely.
food,
Yeah.
and we were shooting in South Mumbai.
Very
Most
nice.
of the film.
Yeah.
So
Kapur
he'd say-
ate the famous thing. We've eaten many
So
times.
he'd say, "Arey yaar, come, call food from Beirut, yaar, let's eat." So now Shad would call a spread. Obviously, if John Abraham has called for London, pura whole van
kebabs
to
and
be
all,
full,
huh?
full
Just we explained to them,
kebabs,
Mediterranean,
hummus, and
huh.
excellent food. He would not touch a single thing, and he would make us eat the whole thing. And the first day it happened, John,
Partially vegetarian or something now, no?
he's vegetarian.
Huh.
So the first day I realized यार खाना आया इसने कुछ भी नहीं खाया. Second day again the same thing. Then we realized he's calling for the food, feeding us, not eating anything. Then he said, "Don't worry, yaar, you've eaten all this food. Don't feel guilty. Tomorrow don't eat carbs." And that was the serious advice. So the day you binge, like if I've eaten any shit today, tomorrow just avoid carbs for the
We
whole
only
day.
had one samosa. You're not going berserk.
One samosa is very bad.
Huh.
It is the worst thing that you can
People
do to
will
your
not
system.
watch the show, yaar. You can't have such high standards. One samosa काफी बड़ा crime है. What are you talking about, bro?
मैं बोलता हूँ बाकी
There are
कुछ भी करो.
people who have 12 and 15 samosas. You know that, right?
I mean,
Growing
Vijayakar
up.
lives on Vada Pav.
Huh. No, I know people who they'll polish
So when I
10
was,
samosas
when I
in
was
one
younger,
sitting.
I would polish 4-5.
Yeah.
But abhi now his metabolism is slow, bro.
So, but that means you're being very careful.
Very careful, yeah.
So your cheating day is not that big cheating. It's halka cheating.
Halka cheating. So it's not a cheat day, it's a cheat meal. It's supposed to
It's
be
a cheat meal, and then you go back into your
Yeah, normal. The next day I'll
fast.
go, yeah.
And then, so what you're saying is that if you don't eat carbs the next day, now we got slightly serious. We'll come
Yeah.
back into the comedy. Don't worry.
Yeah.
If you don't eat carbs the next day, it sort of washes away the.
It doesn't really wash away, but it balances out what you've done today.
How does Mansi handle this?
Mansi doesn't really handle. Mansi, I'm
No,
trying
because
to
a
get...
family can get affected if one person is going crazy with the diet. No.
Yeah, but I think that if a couple actually try and do it together, it's
Does she
easier
follow this?
and better. Not really.
That's what.
Yeah, not really.
My wife also doesn't follow it.
doesn't like to go to the gym because women are different, and also
Women are different.
different
They're
doesn't
gonna
like
get
they
fired.
think she does yoga and all of that.
Yoga, great thing to do.
Not particularly. It's a great thing to do along with strength training.
Yeah.
What were you joking about? I want to know. Aisha does yoga.
No. Aisha is a triathlete. She's a nutcase.
वो तो पागल
On
है.
a cycle.
How she is, yeah.
See, we both get up at 4 in the morning. We have no life.
Every day?
Yeah, no social life. I can't even, if I come back
You
from...
get
I came
up
back
at
from
4
Delhi.
without an alarm every
I
day?
came back from Delhi one day 2 weeks back. At 1:45 I reached home. I had a protein shake. I went to sleep for less than 2 hours. Got up at 4. No, I have an alarm for 4:15, but I get up before that always. Walk my dogs.
That's excellent,
I went to the
yeah.
gym.
Excellent.
But that day, because I can feel my heart rate is up and all that, I don't go for 1 reps and 2 reps and all. I just try and be a little more controlled. But it all depends.
But that's
Adrenaline takes
super. If you
over.
can wake up, that's Matt Damon. You've heard of Matt Damon. and
Matt Damon
Wal-
is my younger brother.
Yeah. And
I call him a bitch.
Mark Wahlberg and Matt Damon, their lifestyle's amazing.
3
how
o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock also.
4 o'clock.
4
yeah.
o'clock in the morning.
4 o'clock in the
Akshay
morning.
Kumar, Akshay Kumar
but
every day.
their day finishes at 7.
Yeah. No, but
And they're in bed by 8-9.
yeah, but it's still a 15-hour day,
Yeah,
man. You do the maths on
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
And they're working on it properly so that even that's
My
part of the day.
God.
It's not like it's just fun.
No, but that's super. That is discipline.
That's
I
the one
don't think
thing.
I'll be able to do.
I love training, Rohit. I love training. I remember meeting you in Calcutta.
Yeah.
And you were shooting a Bengali film.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I was going into the gym, you were going out of the gym. I had an event in the evening, so I could do
But
the
I
afternoon.
enjoy working out. And it's for me, it's not a chore. A lot of people say कि अरे आज थक गया हूँ, आज नहीं जाता हूँ.
Yeah.
You should do the reverse.
They should be slapped.
Yeah,
in
they should be
public.
slapped because they don't know. The moment you hit the gym when you're tired, that dopamine release is excellent.
Arnold has a very nice story in his encyclopedia of bodybuilding. Arnold Schwarzenegger, yaar. Apna dost. Arnold. So his story is very
Donald.
nice. One day he didn't want to go.
Donald is back.
Doland. You didn't see the thing. He was known. He's called Doland.
Doland.
Yeah. With love. There's no
Doland,
disrespect here.
Barack and Doland.
If I call you Doland, wouldn't you think it's a great?
I think you called me
तारीफ किया
Doland.
मैंने.
If you said Doland to me, I'll think Cyrus is calling me Doland.
Let's leave it there. So also Arnold, Franco Colombo famously is his partner, trading partner and all that. Probably one of the best chess the world has ever seen even today. So he calls up and tells him that I'm not coming today, whatever, I'm not feeling up to it. Saturday, Sunday, they had a wild night. So Franco said, okay, fine. But in the background, he hears the sound of the steel clinking. Clank, clank, the plates falling. He said, I put the phone down, I put on my clothes and I just,
Yeah. That's how it works.
That bell hit his head.
So your thing is that you're obsessed and addicted to weight training,
I'm a little-
which is great.
It's
a good addiction to have.
I don't know anyone who's as obsessed as me.
You drink now or you?
I don't touch it.
You don't touch it. कब छोड़ा? क्यों छोड़ा?
2015 December 24th.
You got smashed.
We got smashed. Wore white
fell into
suits.
the gutter.
Putana used to wear white suits on 24th night, Christmas Eve.
Correct.
And when people start saying, who are these uncles in white suits, because nobody else was doing all that. And then I don't know who I danced with. It was some horrible experience. All the boys in the morning were telling me, some really, female, but just about.
Just about.
One of those. So, and then I think my daughter also was growing up and she said, Dad will stop it now. You come home drunk and then mom locks you out of the room. And, what was charming in my 20s and 30s started becoming ugly at 40 and 50. And then you start chasing women who are really ugly. Chasing women, I'm not against. But you got to,
some standard you have to maintain. Yeah.
Later on, people say, okay, he's in jail for molesting a really ugly woman. I mean, that's horrible. We're just kidding. This didn't happen.
But
how do you explain that? Because the boys
see,
the women will be like, how can you do this? What a horrible thing. But the men will be asking, how could
you do that? Yeah, how could you do that?
You can
That's
never
why men and
again.
women are different. Yeah, that was my first question. What, were you drunk?
Yeah. It's always that.
And you were. So that's why you gave up.
No, the kid pressure, mom pressure. Not really. They didn't say anything, but
they're not pressure, but you
just
the
the body
it.
language and all that. It's like,
course.
again, he's, crossed the line.
It has never happened that I've come back home after a nice, happy evening with my boys and I've not got dagger looks from Mansi.
Yeah,
and I asked her, I said, what is it? Is it my health concern or are you just unhappy that I'm happy?
Yeah.
It has to be the latter because my health is fine.
Yeah.
So
But you're still drinking.
Yeah, I drink once in a while.
You don't care really.
I don't really care. So when I drink. Like in Bombay, I don't drink. But when I'm traveling...
Why? What's the thing?
How does it cut down? No? You have to cut it down. If I drink in Bombay, every time
You told yourself, I'll only drink when I'm outside Bombay.
Outside of Bombay, yeah. So if I'm traveling...
Outside Bombay, मतलब Palm Beach भी ठीक है या नहीं?
Palm Beach भी ठीक है.
Wow.
Municipal
But it crosses the frigging line.
Bombay से बाहर.
वहाँ पे एक लड़का खड़ा है spot. Mushtaq is waiting in the bottle. रोहित भाई.
आजा जल्दी. No, so it actually cut down 90% of my alcohol consumption.
Fair, it's a good...
I was in America 10 days. 10 days I drank.
And
every
food
day.
and all that. What happens to your diet and all that?
I don't follow anything.
This is your daughter's there, no?
Yeah, my daughter's there. So I went to surprise her. I just landed up at her doorstep.
Wow.
And it was, I think, a Sunday morning or a Saturday morning. And she opened the door and she looked at me and said, are you here? And she started crying, thinking she's hallucinating.
Yeah.
So but anyway, about the alcohol, 10 days.
Yeah, I want this story. It's a beautiful story. I want to hear more of this story.
Yeah, so no, it was lovely. Yeah.
You went, you drank the...
She's in her final year at Brown. And I just felt I was missing her. And for fathers, we can't tell anybody anything. We don't share. I said, what do? I said, screw it. I bought a ticket. I sat on the flight.
Alone.
I didn't want
Mansi
any...
didn't say
Mansi for once she didn't say anything. I don't know why. Maybe she saw my... separation.
She didn't want to come with you.
Of course, everybody wants to come, but I wanted to go alone by myself and spend that 1 week dedicated time. I just booked my flight. I booked my hotel. I landed up in Boston. Drove to Providence. It was about 11:30 in the night, so I didn't go to her.
Did you shoot this?
I was alone, yaar. I wish I'd... The last time I surprised her, Mansi was shooting it, but guess what? When she should have put the camera on, she put it off.
This is from a family of thespians,
actors,
artists, and 40 years in the business.
And and she went berserk and she's jumping around and I said, let me see the video. And I put the video on and there's the floor and the
This is why Rohit drinks occasionally.
That's why.
It all makes sense.
That's
now.
why I did. Now
So,
see, now you're
to-
my friend. You understand.
Coming back to the second story. So,
So I landed up there, and then
how do you check? You texted, are you there, and all that, pretending you're in Bombay.
Yeah. So no.
In case
So,
she went out for the weekend or something, how would you?
No, that to Mansi was on
Oh,
top
she
of
was,
it. No,
okay,
yeah. And also Mansi has that tracker nowadays. No? Phone you can come to know that she's at home.
You've kept the tracker.
Yeah, because we just want to know if she's traveling here and there. Mansi has, not me.
Bro, that's a little invasion of privacy, no? I mean, they're adult
I hope
girls.
Kiara doesn't see this.
I understand as a father also. I understand thinking, but yeah. Huh.
So anyway, yeah. So nothing. So I have checked in and at about 7:38 in the morning, I Uber in America. I love it. Have you ever Ubered?
What's the difference? I haven't Ubered, but
But it's great. No, but here I don't know. No, you don't need to, na? In India,
yeah.
कोई ना कोई होता ही है. I think I found freedom when I was there. It was so good. Anyway, I Ubered, reached her place, and she had obviously was early morning. She opened the door, and I think I have not spent such 7 blissful days in my life.
Look, what happened when she opened the door?
She thought she was hallucinating.
Yeah.
And she looked at me and she just started crying. Obviously, she was overwhelmed to see her father.
But I feel like crying listening.
Yeah, and it was just lovely. And I stood there and I started crying. And I wish I had a bloody camera.
Damn it!
Yaar, I swear.
You won't ever get these moments.
So what I was going to do is I was going to call her roommate and tell her that be ready with the camera. Then I said, these kids, they keep talking. What if she lets it slip? My bloody 20-hour journey will go waste.
Yeah, it would.
So I said, no, let me enjoy the moment. And also Kiara's the kind of person who doesn't like to too much of pictures and videos.
No,
She
but
said,
for
"Be in
10
the
seconds
video."
it was worth
Yeah,
it.
this would have been
It's a
worth it.
private thing. You're not going to share it with
But
us.
I'll
It's okay.
never ever forget that moment. Now it's imprinted here.
Neither will she, more
Yeah.
importantly.
No, I don't think
God,
so.
you
yeah.
set very high standards for fathers.
Yeah.
I don't want to go all the way to
No, when
America
you
to
have one
say
daughter, then-
my son's in Canada. Oh, Freudian slip. Yeah, but we don't have a visa. I don't have a visa.
To Canada?
No, we haven't got one yet. I haven't applied, but it's not looking good now at the moment.
Yeah, right
trying to
now,
get
currently.
These. A few of
But
my
you never
friends-
had a Canadian visa?
So I've had back in the day, but I haven't gone after that. In the 90s, sometime I went once. But now my wife has, but we don't have. And when he graduates,
So how
which
did
is
you go to drop
December
him?
next year or March next year?
You didn't go to drop him to college?
No.
Aisha?
And he went during the pandemic. There's no question of dropping
Same,
him.
yeah, she also went during the
And how they went, bro, it was horrible.
gosh.
They had to spend 2 days in Dubai. They were quarantined everywhere, 2 boys. And he was, I don't know, he had a miserable time actually,
Yeah,
but he
it was
wanted to
tough.
go.
Fortunately, when Kiara went, must have been the same time exactly, but she went directly.
What was it, 21 end or something?
No,
Or
20, na?
20 end or 21 end, one of these two. I think 21 end, yeah.
21 end tak to khatam ho gaya
It
tha.
was there. It was still
was there.
there. The Canada was much worse than us, no? And then they see our type of people coming in. They were
Yeah,
like,
they're
let's
like,
give them
yeah,
extra 2
what
days.
was
Yeah.
That was tough.
Hard life.
I have to tell a story about Cyrus.
Huh. What?
Cyrus and me actually had a run-in once. Do you remember?
At
You
the
don't
play?
remember? Yeah.
Yeah. We discussed it last time, did we?
When? No.
Okay,
we
tell.
didn't. I'll tell the story now. So we were doing a fantastic play and Kunal and me were shooting for a show. And I said, yeah, I also want to do a play. I'd never done a play. It was called Unfaithful.
Yeah, well, it's called Faithful, but we...
Faithful, the
put
name of the film was
because copyright
Faithful, yeah.
issue, yeah.
And
We said
can you
too
imagine the
much.
second English play of mine is called Unfaithfully Yours?
But that's India written. Like, it's a safe one.
No, Unfaithfully Yours is a different story altogether.
No, this is the one that you did with,
With Mona
Ral.
Singh.
Mona
Ral,
Singh. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So the 2 English plays I've done is one is Unfaithful, one is
Unfaithfully yours. It's like part 2.
Yeah, part 2. Anyway, so we are we're doing this play. I've never done theatre, and this is the first time I'm doing theatre. And
So I'll give you 1999.
99 was it?
Yeah.
And there's a scene between me and Cyrus, and I'm like,
So I'm the gangster guy.
and I'm playing the husband.
Oh, you shouldn't give it away. Huh?
No, yeah, but now they're going to see it.
I thought they're going to go back to experimental if you're not even doing the play.
Perizad is playing my wife and he's playing the gangster who's going to free her from the clutches of this nasty husband.
Yeah.
And while performing, he came and hit my balls on stage. Now, it was maybe inadvertent, maybe he was...
inadvertent.
Come on,
anything
or
I'm that
maybe,
bad.
no. So later I realized that maybe that's how much you got into the... You're from Lee Strasberg, right?
Yeah, but Baba, it happened. It's a rough and tumble thing, and my hand slipped a
and
little bit.
His hand went thwack, and I'm like, oh.
See, when you say we're trying to be as real and in the moment and
Yeah.
all that and method and all that, it doesn't mean you have to hit the other guy. It's more from your point of view. Yeah.
And I was like, boss, English theatre ऐसा होता है तो मेरे को नहीं करना है.
It was the first show, right?
No, it wasn't the first
Second show.
It was the second show. Second show.
I remember
First show was-
Asad Debu came, the famous dancer, and we were having a pitched argument.
And then instead of replacing him, they replaced me with Baman Irani.
We didn't replace you.
Of course,
you
Baman
didn't,
did it.
You didn't have the dates.
No, I always have the dates here.
Bro, what is
Always
he-
had the dates,
Why-
bro.
why would he replace you?
You must have told Cyrus. I hit him
never-
on his balls. He can't take it. He's not man enough.
I've got lots of crimes against me. I've never asked for anyone to be removed from anything, and I've never sacked
I'm
anyone.
joking, you're
That
mad
karma
about
is
it.
mine.
Yeah, yeah,
I go happy. Yeah.
No, but that's I
Including
really think
IBM.
that
I
should
have
have-
never asked for anyone to be removed.
None of you. All of
No,
you been here for a while.
and a few.
But you know,
these guys are
on a
here now.
serious note, I really enjoyed doing that play, and I think we should have. I don't know why it didn't carry on because it was perfect for the theatre audience. Why do you think?
We did a few shows. I can't remember what
hardly,
exactly
yeah.
happened, but it's
10,
an
15
experiment.
shows.
There was 3 people on stage, little intense play and all
You
that.
put that up today.
I think
let
today
me
it'll
tell
work
you,
better.
It'll work
Yeah,
much
yeah.
better.
Also, the basic storyline is that he, the rich guy, investment banker type and all that, New Yorker, has hired this guy to kill his wife.
Kill his wife.
And then the guy falls in love.
But isn't it interesting?
It's a fabulous story.
It's a fabulous
Chaz
story.
Palminteri, yeah. Why don't you make it into a movie? No, the copyright.
It's been made. It's been made.
Hindi?
Yeah. It's been made.
Who's done it? अब गूगल कर सकता है
गूगल करके देख ले. इतनी अच्छी पिक्चर है
क्या बात है
कि गूगल में भी खराब लगेगा तेरे को. See, there are lots of things I can't say on other platforms. With you, I can say anything I want.
It's all grey area
It's all-
now.
yeah.
They can't come after
Throw a
us.
card then,
Okay.
I have a set of questions written for you.
Oh, that's so there. But for now, I just want to ask you one. So tell me your training schedule quickly. As
Huh.
how do
So
you
my
train?
training schedule is very, very simple. I always tell, don't make it rocket science. Push, pull legs, push, pull legs. Push means chest, shoulder, tricep on one day. Next day is back and bicep. Third day is legs. Fourth day is a break. But I do cardio. I don't believe in taking breaks because you don't need to take a
Cardio
break.
back in the gym or you do it
No,
outside?
in the gym. I don't.
You don't like running on the roads?
So
and-
I play pickleball. That's cardio for me.
Oh,
So I played 2
because
hours of
I
pickleball.
tried it. It's quite a difficult game actually. I thought it was an easy game.
It's an easy game. Once you start playing, bro, and I'm
The
telling
ball
you
doesn't
before
bounce
going,
enough.
play. That will be your best cardio.
I don't like any one-sided game now. I'm very scared I can't train properly.
But you play with 2 people now. You play doubles, right?
One-sided means your right hand is dominating, like bowling or masturbating. Or,
So masturbating is good. That's really good
I've-
cardio
I've-
for your
I've
heart.
kept a guy.
You kept a guy?
Yeah, मैं ऐसा करता हूँ. I
No,
don't.
why
I
can't you
don't
be
pain.
No, I'm giving you a good piece of advice. Be ambidextrous.
You don't. It's the same thing with lifting. My shoulder pain is actually
No, you
happening.
can use both your hands for
When you do a lot
lifting.
of barbell work, what happens? Shoulder pain happens because the right is so dominant. This is really.
So do it
I
with the
can't
left.
think of any other reason.
Do it with the left.
What? What are we talking
Masturbate.
about? Barbell work? Or?
Masturbate. No? Be ambidextrous when it comes to masturbation.
You're saying
So
switch
both your
complete.
shoulders and your bicep will work out.
You must think I'm really well endowed, na? कि shoulder भी है इसमें. Wow, Rohit,
Like Ronnie
what a-
Coleman.
I think we are both on Grindr. I think it's clear. This kind of conversation has to be
Oh,
first
God.
page of Grindr.
I swear.
Abhi sir has not laughed so much for a long time. I suddenly feel the heterosexuality of the room is very
It's
low.
very low.
Very
yeah.
low. Very
Oh
low.
my God.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think that's the thing. That's why keep it simple to your legs. Eat well, eat well, eat well.
Do you have someone to work out with? What's the deal there? Or you have a coach? You're
So I have a trainer.
El Solo?
No,
but
I
you don't have a
to-
partner.
No.
A training partner. You don't have a Franco Colombo to your Arnold.
No.
How sad.
Maybe you and me should work out once.
You
together.
live too far. Will you move?
No, I'll come now for a session
I work out at 5:40.
in the morning.
Yeah. I'm done by 7:05. I'm out of the gym at 8 with food,
Every day.
clothes, shave,
No, what are you
everything.
talking about? My discipline. This is amazing.
No, but I don't have a social life. I hate
I thought- I don't have a social life anymore.
Vijay Singh, मैं तो मर गया. मैं बोलता
That Rohit, you knew I'm not that.
Huh.
I don't have a social life, bro.
Yeah. So
My
I don't
social
even
life
know.
is yesterday I took Mansi for dinner to Soho and went and saw Bhool Bhulaiya 3. That's my social life.
So I do
Correct,
even
same.
better. I would have taken Aisha to watch Bhool Bhulaiya 3, but I have left her there and come back. because Bhulaiya.
I tried. But I was, I think, in her car. As the
Stop it.
driver.
Don't make jokes. It stays forever. My wife doesn't watch anything. We are safe.
Yeah.
Mansi
Mansi will definitely
somebody will,
watch this.
And somebody will. Sharman will watch it and send it.
Yeah.
I
No,
don't trust
Mansi will
him.
definitely watch this and she has a terrible sense of humor and she won't get it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my God.
This is another thing. We should talk just about surviving marriage.
Yeah.
This is another whole book.
We should do, We should do a podcast
How
on
much fasting
surviving
do you do
marriage.
for surviving
Yeah.
marriage? The surviving marriage for next generation is not going to be easy, bro.
They're not surviving it.
Yeah,
Things
whatever.
have changed,
I don't want
yeah.
to Padwati people's marriages or whatever, but yeah.
No, but I think in a way that's good. We don't have time to talk about that, but in a way it's good. I mean, if you're it's better not to be in a toxic marriage or an unhealthy marriage and be single. There's nothing wrong with being
It's like
single.
Big
and-
Boss. The people stuck together. You're stuck together in the same Big Boss fashion for years and years and years. If you look at in-laws and all that, it is the same thing.
It is the same thing.
So you're stuck in a bubble like that. And then
And I have never seen in-laws being absolutely normal with their son-in-law. son-in-law or the daughter-in-law.
Yeah.
There's always
It's a
this
tight
thing.
dynamic, tight
Yeah,
dynamic.
It's a weird dynamic. And it's continuing for so many
I put out this
centuries.
offer key that every weekend we should be allowed to freelance. Like I go to somebody else's family, they send somebody to your family.
Yeah.
You know,
It'll
just
be
mix it up.
interesting, yeah.
And Monday mostly you'll be like okay to go back to the old ways
Yeah,
mostly.
correct, yeah, mostly.
Unlikely you'll find John
Breath of
Abraham.
fresh air, and then you come and compare. "Arey yaar, this was terrible."
Because relativity एक बहुत important चीज
बहुत
है.
important.
Always look at it from
तू मस्ती
perspective.
से बोल रहा है लेकिन बहुत important बात
I'm a very wise man.
You're very wise, yeah.
Don't judge from my hair
Very
fall.
wise, very wise, very wise.
So should I keep my hair white only? What do you think?
Honestly, you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
I think it look damn good.
Nice. He's on Grindr.
किसी ने बोला? किसी ने बोला तेरे को अभी तक? Wife ने बोला होगा.
No, I always keep it now for 3-4 days at least to see how much white I have. And
But let it go completely, see how it looks, and then go back.
But now what's happened is that my ऊपर terrace का बाहर
हाँ, terrace तो
has more white than my
अच्छा.
ground floor mechanic का जो garage है ना. So I'm a little worried about that because if you Google, it should be the other way around. So what the hell's happening here?
एक बात बोल.
हाँ.
वो देख कौन रहा है तेरा मैकेनिक का गैराज?
वो कोई
नहीं.
कोई भी
तो
नहीं.
फायदा क्या है? वो काला और
अभी
सफेद
नहीं,
हो.
कभी नहीं. Okay, well, before we run out,
Okay.
Rohit Roy's question to you. Rohit, I love you, says Subhash. Can we see your Fattu character extended version in fun reels or short for Fattu character?
Fattu
Please tell us
character.
about the making of a song Ganpat. Two different things. So, first Fattu.
What about the question?
He wants a extended, long format.
He wants a long format of the character
Yeah.
Fattu.
Would you be doing something?
You know, the Fattu quick story. When Sanjay Dutt watched the film and came out, the first thing he told Sanjay Gupta, who's the director of the film, or the producer of the film, is कि यार ये लड़के ने क्या काम किया है. So that was my first kind of iconic role. People remember it after it's been 15 years. So yes, of course, if given an
15 years have
opportunity,
passed.
15 years, yeah, man. I would love to reprise that role.
Of just the character. So you're the main set.
Fattu.
Please tell us about the making of Ganpat shootout.
So there's a very interesting story. Nobody knows. Nobody. I'll tell you that. We shot Ganpat as a promotional video with Remo D'Souza, and we were in suits and all of that, and we shot in town at a bar. And we came back, and Gupta and me were having a drink. He said, "Kaisa tha aaj ka kaam?" I said, honestly, your film is about raste ka gangsters and you're putting us in suits. He said, ये तो promotion है यार, promotion के लिए कर रहा हूँ. I said, but promotion, you're not showing the real film, and this song is a blast. It's a surefire. He picked up the phone, called his production manager, and cancelled the next day's shoot. I said, what are you doing? Then I got a little worried. I said, he asked me something, I gave him the honest answer. He cancelled the shoot. And then when we finished the entire film, we went back to the song and we recorded the song in 2 days and we put it in the film. And then it became the rage it did. So I have to take a lot of credit for Ganpat Chal Darula.
Mr. Gupta?
And this story has not been told on any platform anywhere.
Mr. Gupta, check please.
Check please.
Yeah.
वो बेचारा मेरे को इतना दे चुका है, कितना check देगा?
Really?
यार,
Paymaster?
I never ask him for money, but the point is that my filmography is Rohit Roy with Sanjay Gupta and Rohit Roy without. And only my pictures that have worked have been with him.
Wow.
I mean, Kabil.
Shootout?
Shootout, Kabil, both.
One more, Ritika. Are you involved in any entrepreneurial roles single-handedly or with your brother? If not, please let us know about any brand you're looking forward to build. So let's do first part because you have your own production.
So not with my brother, but I mean, I don't know whether you can call it entrepreneur, but yeah, I mean, I have my production and I produce all sorts of television, films, and we do production. But now I'm going to start directing it. So I don't know whether you can call it.
But you also, what people don't know is you've become big in the voiceover space.
Yeah.
With this,
I really had a good time doing that. So I'm Chris Pratt's Indian voice.
Which character?
Avengers, Star-Lord.
Star-Lord.
And I'll tell you a quick story. Quick. I have to tell you this.
He's like the naughty guy. No?
I was at and you do. So the last one, they had a particular way he speaks. I said, boss, the way he's speaking, let me make it a Bombaya Hindi. And they were like, no. I said, let me do it once. Consider this a sample. And I recorded it like a full, kya ja raha hai, idhar aa raha hai.
But he's less refined than the others.
Yeah.
In his,
and I did that and they sent it to Disney Hotstar and they loved it. And then I did the whole film like that. And in one, there was a dialogue. And when I go to the girl and say, Hrithik Roshan, naam to suna hoga. So I said, yaar, isme koi maza nahi hai. So you know what I did? I go to the girl and say, hey, Rohit Roy, naam to suna hoga. So Chris Pratt is saying Rohit Roy, naam to suna hoga.
Nice.
And they fell down.
Nice.
It's just a quirky thing, you know.
I like it.
But I'm enjoying that space.
Does Mansi like Chris Pratt or you?
I don't think she's seen Chris Pratt.
What are you saying?
Yeah, she's not
He's
into
all over.
Avengers and all those.
No, there's that sitcom Parks and Recreation and all that. That's what made
I
it
don't
famous.
think I don't think she's seen it, but yeah, but she saw a little bit of the Hindi version with me on.
You're very good, eh? You kept him away and made sure it's only Rohit Roy. It's not like Rohit Roy.
But I think she'll like him because he's very much like me.
Yeah.
It's very strange. When I was
Yeah.
dubbing for him, also his mannerisms, the way he's talking, the way he's sitting, was quite like me.
So you're now we call you Chris from now on?
No. You can call Chris Rohit from now.
We know which
Bahut
party
bol diya,
he's
bahut
voting
bol
for. Okay. Oh, and the second one. If you please let us know about any brand you're looking forward to build. Is there any brand you're looking forward to?
I had launched my clothing brand called Stitched by Rohit Roy.
Oh, by the way, for those who don't know, and I'm sure many of you do, he's known for his fashion and his looks and all that. I've never seen you unkempt. You know,
Really?
even you always present. Like, you're my antithesis. You're always like well dressed. Like even if you're at the airport,
Right,
it's an
yeah.
early morning flight, late night flight. You know, you're not that guy who's going to look like straight out of bed.
No,
It's
that
just
is-
not you.
Yeah, I've never been. I think I've been like that since school.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I don't do it for the airport look and
Yeah.
that look
No,
and
you
all
just like
that.
to look good.
I just like to look
Yeah.
good. Yeah. I mean, you said कि इतना सारा कपड़ा पहन के आया. This is the most dressed down I could be.
Yeah, for me, I was like, wow, he's dressed. But our standards are very low. So this, how sweet of you to lower your standard to fit in. But having said that, इतना बड़ा gap है भाई. Yeah.
Yeah, but it was good fun.
Oh. So brand, sorry.
The
Clothes brand?
Stitched by Rohit Roy was a brand where we used to make custom-made T-shirts and shirts. And unfortunately, I am not an entrepreneur. I'm not.
Would
a
you like to relaunch
businessman. I would love to.
We have
relaunch that.
investors.
I would love to do something in the fashion space and the restaurant space. Restaurant space, I'm already doing, but in the fashion space, I really want to launch a line. And I know that my aesthetics are on point.
Yeah.
So I want to do something.
And you remain on point. It's not like you live in the 80s and 90s.
Yeah,
or
no,
something.
baap
There are a lot of
re.
people who do that.
Yeah. I try and
I know
stay-
this guy wears shorts and t-shirts everywhere he goes. Shoot. Kunal.
But good one, no? Good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the one space I'm going to go.
Keep Kunal in mind, for that. He and you are similar in that way.
But
likes
he
to look
actually
good.
dresses very
He's
well.
a dashing guy.
Yeah, I mean, I see pictures of
60
him and
now?
Baman in London, and I'm
Oh.
like, both of them are like bricks.
No. He's famous for, again, on the line of gender issues here, but he's the kind of guy who he breaks space. When we're getting ready for a party or something in the old days, or weddings and all that, he'll come and start adjusting the tie and all that.
Right.
I'll be like, it just bothers
kar
him.
raha hai?
When it was straight karke, I would never do that.
Yeah.
Just go to another man.
You
and
guys
start-
are like chalk and cheese, actually.
We're chalk
man.
and cheese.
Chalk and cheese,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
But I'm so fucking jealous of the two of you. That's the kind of friendship a man should
I've
have.
moved it to Maya now. Maya's his friend.
Maya is-
I
अभी छोड़ दे, अभी बहुत
What
हो
will I
गया.
do with a guy?
बहुत हो गया.
10,000 steps. Nonsense.
I can't believe he must have
So
done
immature,
that.
this man.
Yeah.
Really. Rohit, we've run out of time, but thank you so much for coming.
Thank you
here.
so much. Yeah,
Now
always
I
a
will
pleasure.
return the favor and come to the fitness
yes, you have
podcast,
to.
which is called.
You were actually supposed to come to my podcast first. It's called Unstoppable with Rohit Roy.
We're doing Unstoppable with Rohit Roy, which is in its second season now.
Yeah, it's going to second season.
Yeah.
So
So
probably
that's gonna
start
be
with
fun.
you.
That's going to be fun. We're doing it shirtless.
Yeah.
And second half pantless.
Pantless.
Huh?
And there's no break in that. We'll just go on the show.
You'll give me free protein, no?
Free. That I'll send just now. Yeah.
Send now.
But there, babe.
So sweet.
That's
That's your brand.
Before you
That's
reach,
your brand.
That's my brand. Before you reach home, it'll be there.
What are you saying? How is it possible?
Because you have to go from here to there. Their offices in town.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
But I'm going the coastal road has changed the game for us.
Yeah, superb.
I may have to vote for the present
You
government.
don't ride, na? Motorbikes?
Oh,
we never spoke about mine. We never spoke.
back in the day.
Back in the day, I used to ride.
Yeah,
and how.
those
We've had some good times,
Oh,
huh?
yeah,
Good
brother,
times,
yeah.
man.
Quickly, as you run out of time, which bikes do you have?
So I have 6 bikes. I have 2.
Six bikes?
6 bikes, yeah. So that's another thing I had in common with John because we used to love talking about our bikes. And I also clean my bikes myself.
Just give us the names quickly. Hayabusa?
So no, Hayabusa. I have 2 Indians. One is a
Indian you have?
Yeah,
A
I have
fantastic bike, yeah.
FTR 1200. I have the
Indian
Scout
is a
Bomber.
biker before you some idiot.
Indian
says
is
you
a-
have- he's
Indian
kept
is the first
Bharat
motorbike.
Vasis are kept inside the garage. No, they're Indians.
Yeah.
The Indians are Indians.
It's it's the first bike company in the world.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the first motorbike company
American
in the world.
company, British
American.
company? Yeah. Huh.
So they still don't make bikes out of America. Only in America.
Wow.
So I have 2 of those. Then I have a Triumph Rocket.
Yeah.
Then I have
Wow,
I have my dream bike, the Java Bobber.
Yeah.
I had to buy that, and I love it. And then I have an electric bike called the Ultraviolet EV, which goes from 100 to 160 in under 7 seconds.
My God.
And it's an EV. And then I have.
But he
of
never
course-
does that. He's
I
a
never
very
do that. No, no,
careful.
no. Not in
You
India.
wear helmet
Not-
and all?
you don't get out of the bike without
So
gear.
you do that morning Palm Beach thing and all
every
that?
day.
You do
every
all,
Sunday.
every day?
Every Sunday, sorry.
You're
every
one of those
Sunday.
guys I
went
see on
every
the
Sunday.
highway with the jackets and all.
Yeah, you have to.
So you're part of that gang, that biker
No,
gang?
no gangbang.
Achha, on your
We
own.
just have a few friends. Apurva Lakhia, me, Shahid Kapoor, Kunal Khemu.
Yeah.
Just Suved Lohia.
Okay.
So we have like
You
a...
did shoot a film on the way.
We can shoot, yeah. But we have great time. That's the time when everybody chills out and everybody just lets their hair down.
Is it true it hurts the testicles a lot?
If you drive a thing like an Hayabusa for a long distance, it will.
Would,
but I have all my cruisers. So if you're a sports cruiser or a cruiser, you're fine.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're...
No normal Indian 100cc bikes, what we grew up with, the Yamahas and the Hero Hondas and all. Nothing. You never had one of those? He has two Indians. I can't argue. Two Indians are there. Because Indian needs a company. So, one Indian, another Indian. Two Indians.
Two Indians.
All right, Rohit, that's it. We're done.
Super. Thank you. Thank
Samosa
you.
is waiting
Excellent.
for you.
Samosa is mine now.
Yeah.
That samosa was worth it.
When I got through and I sat down and when they said, okay, you are involved in the process of creating the format, and they were giving me all the freedom to think of the ideas. Like I would come up with all the ideas. I would come up with all the art. I didn't have a scriptwriter. I would do my own lines. So I was sort of directing the whole show. Like I had Arnab.
Or Goswami, he was with
Chaudhary.
Bro, what happened? That mad now makes a lot more sense.
No,
Bro,
Arnab
thanks a
Chaudhary,
lot. You
who
opened our
was
eyes.
also my NID senior, who was also at Channel V. Another person called Sonal, who was also my senior from NID. So I had like a lot of designers.
To bounce off.
Yeah, but working with Pogo and part of the team, and thanks to them, I could create a show like that because I had like this amazing team who believed in me and also like helped me, mentored me. It was a lot of learning on the job. I mean, no one in my family is remotely connected to art. There's no artist in my family.
That's amazing, actually.
Yeah.
This is your gutsy moment, right? When you and your friend decided to not do the medical exam, or you did it?
No, I was sitting for medical entrances also, and in the middle he came and he showed me the prospectus of art college. And I was flipping through the pages like teenager would do with an adult magazine. I was like, oh,
What a lovely example. Hold there for a moment so I can remember my life. Because itna art ki talk mein some pornography should be put in so that the people listen. Yeah.